How's it going? Happy Sunday. So today I'm going to be vlogging, obviously. Oh, whoa, look at my lashes. All right, so I'm cooking right now. I am making some jollof rice. Okay, so I got some onion. I'm gonna turn on the stove to let it kind of get it going, and then I'm gonna be using this tomato paste. The way I do it is sometimes I mix it with there, and sometimes I just blend it in. But this time I'm gonna probably just fry it in, and then I'm gonna be adding my seasoning. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you, touching your body. So I'm gonna use already broth that I have made. Although it's frozen, I'll bring this out so I can use it later. Now you people there. Okay, now this is okay. I had to go change my clothes because I don't know, my makeup was staining my shirt, and I use a setting spray, but for some reason I still get it all over my clothes. I'm not even a makeup wearer, but I wear it when I'm in the mood. Anyways, so my jollof don't finish and I didn't burn it. Voila! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So this is the jollof. I put beef liver inside, and then I just did a little veggie with shrimp. I didn't have that much veggie I didn't add all the stuff, and then I made some beans. It's cooking now. So these are meal prep for the week. So I've got the jollof. I'm making some beans and corn. These are all meal prepping for the week. So it's not like, because I don't really like cooking during the week. Okay, I'm gonna find the sauce. Usually I put shrimp in the jollof, but I don't do it this time. I can always move the shrimp and put it in the jollof. Let it steam up and then get it. But I just want to put it in the fire. Then I got some chicken in the oven. I got barbecue chicken, and then jerk. Barbecue looks like it's almost done. Jerk is I was gonna do the chicken individually, but I was like, let me just kill two birds at once. So I'm like, I cannot So yeah, my meal prepping on Sunday is the top rack is the barbecue, and the second rack is jerk. And you know, I was actually gonna make them like I was gonna make it separately, like cook it individually, but I don't want to be wasting so much electricity, so I wanted to just cook it. So my whole house is smelling of chicken right now. So this is how my Sunday routine is. I basically, if I'm not doing laundry, I'm doing cooking and stuff like that. And my oldest one is always looking after the baby for me. so that I try to, yeah, so I can get things done, especially when hubby is not around and I gotta clean up all my mess. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking of like, so for my channel, I am definitely gonna be switching things up. I'm not gonna be talking about natural hair or anything like that anymore because I can't do hairstyles. I don't know how to do hairstyles, and I don't think I didn't blend my, oh my gosh, now that I'm looking at my face, can we like pause and talk to all the makeup gurus out there? I know this is like poorly done. I didn't match my foundation very well because I just did a lazy foundation this morning because I had things to do, and then again I'm not really a makeup wearer, so I'm guessing this foundation is no longer my color because during the colder season my skin changes, it gets brighter compared to the summertime. So you know how you have to have 2 different shades of foundation, so I have 2 different shades, but I think I used the wrong one, so that's probably why you guys can see this color. But comment below and tell me if you notice this without me calling it out, and leave your tips in the comment section. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm thinking of like just taking a break from my beauty, my hair routine, you know, always posting that. Ugh, I don't like the way this look. Like the foundation is really not helping me right now. Like my beauty routine, you know, because especially with in terms of my hair, like the reason why I started my, you know, Naturalyewi channel is to, you know, help me with along the way with my hair journey. But after a while I got into vlogging, and I actually enjoy vlogging, but I'm very like critical of what I put out there. Like, you know, in this day and age, some of us, we are creative, we want to share a little bit of ourselves with the world, but the world is messed up and we have to be careful what we share out there, because you mean well and people would like literally turn some money-turning spirit out there, like, you know. So that's why a lot of us kind of like stay back and don't share our full self with the world. So I just wanted to say that I will just be focusing on something that is going to be uplifting and, you know, inspirational, and just helping people out, because that is what my calling is. And I'm not holding back anymore. I am here to be who I'm meant to be, you know. So I'm gonna follow that voice that is leading me, you know, to encourage people and, you know, just send out positive things, because we all need positivity right now, and the world is just lost, and everybody's just trying to draw from each other, you know. You know, when someone has that really high energy, you want to draw out of it, but then when someone have really low energy, you don't want to draw out of that, because their energy is low and you don't want to be low too. So how are you going to help each other? So with that being said, my channel is really, this channel is really that, and I hope you guys will enjoy that, because I mean, I might throw here, you know, stuff here and there, but for now I'm just gonna be doing like a series where I'm just gonna be talking and just sharing things with you guys, and just having like a chit chat, but like more like on the positive side, encouraging, like less of me and more of what I have to offer. So if you know you really like something like that, just do me a favor. If you watch this and you already a subscriber to me, leave a comment, let me know so I can know that this is the type of stuff that people want to watch or not, because I don't. So yeah, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and I will definitely be looking out and see what you guys say, and give your girl a thumbs up so we can see where this channel is going. Love ya.